Pleasant day to all of you. I hope you're having a good day. So, as the start of the year, we'll be beginning to recruit a new member for our mentoring circle. So, being in a mentoring circles is really a good opportunity for me. I have met a lot of finance members, share different experiences, thoughts, opinions, and knowledges. So, I get to know them more now. So, I learn also a lot from them. It's a two-way relationship between the mentor and the mentee. And we talk anything under the sun. Even we share laughter, joys, sometimes pain. So, that's the one that I experienced. So, on this regard, if you want to have a sense of belongingness in a group, help you to grow and achieve your goals, it can be personal or professional, share and provide your guidance, support and knowledge in any way and other circumstances that you needed. So, may I take this opportunity to invite you to join and be a member of our mentoring circle. Everybody is invited, even those who are already a member. So, don't miss the fun in being a member of our mentoring circles. Sign now and enjoy the perks. See you all!